Good day, everyone. This is Patrick from UsdJpy Code Trading System, and this is Saturday, the 27th of November, 2021. And this is the weekly technical analysis for spot gold and dollar yen for the first week of December. Let's begin with spot gold, where surprisingly it fell right from the start of the week. Right on Monday, where it did not hesitate to break through these two support levels and dive right into the daily 55 EMA on Monday, and then followed through on Tuesday by dipping down to the monthly pivot at the 1780 88 level. Tested the 50 pip retracement of this reversal move and fell from the 138 all the way back down to the 50 pip retracement here. And Friday after that was just consolidating and attempting to retrace higher, but was blocked and closed back below the 1800 level. So I think we can move this fib all the way back up to the full swing move here. And you can see that that has actually fallen right. It's a confluence with the monthly pivot, and that's the actually the 62 fib retracement. Let's draw the retracement here. Fallen back right to 62 fib retracement of this full swing move up, coinciding with the monthly pivot. It's a good confluence there. And let's see, on the higher time frame, maybe we can just remove this one here now. Let's remove this fib here. Let's focus on this recent move. And, all right. So looks like the this area here is going to be a strong resistance with the daily 200, daily 55 EMAs, along with the 1800 round figure, as well as the 50 fib retracement. So we'll see if it's able to break out higher. It could be limited, and 38 fib retracement is above that, along with this swing high of this wick. And it could break through this support at the monthly pivot next week. It's only a couple more days, and continue lower to the 78.6 retracement and near the 1750 round figure again. All right, let's clear this and let's mark these levels here again. And this coming week, there's a couple of minor news before the non-farm payroll report on Friday. There's Fed Chair Powell's testimony on Tuesday and Wednesday, and he has been just reconfirmed as for the term for the position as the Fed Chair, and a couple of ISM PMIs Wednesday and Friday, along with the UK and Europe as well. So let's identify some of these key support levels here. Let's bring this resistance zone down to this area. Support that this key zone here. Don't need this one anymore. Okay. So this whole area was basically consolidation, except for this Friday spike through. And if it does break out higher, there is still resistance up here. And if it does break down lower, that's the support area. So that will be the key support zone for next week. Okay. Let's also take a look at the US dollar index, where it was climbing up while the spot gold was giving back its gains from previous couple of weeks. It did try to, after breaking through this resistance, it did try to continue higher, but then pause on the Thursday, and then Friday was a risk off for the markets with this new coronavirus variant, termed as the Omicron, which is the 15th variant already. That's the 15th letter in the Greek alphabet. And it broke through the resistance, which turned to support, but it's still now resistance. That's the 162 fib extension. So there could be further bearish move to drop and test this swing low area where the 138 fib extension is. Find supports, then it might just consolidate between these two levels. All right. Let's move back to spot gold. And on the weekly time frame, that's a bearish move here, bearish engulfing candle here, and falling and retracing back 2 weeks of bullish move. So we'll see if there's a further bearish continuation move here. That's going to drop. That's right at the weekly 55 EMA. So perhaps it could try to dip a bit lower. All right. Let's move on to dollar yen. And also on Friday, it gave up a lot of gains as the Japanese yen strengthened in this risk-off move. And after attempting to break out above the 115, which is a critical round figure resistance area, and pause on the Thursday, similar to the DXY, and gave it all back down to the daily 55 EMA as well as the monthly pivot. So similar to spot gold as well. It's returned all the way back to the monthly pivot at the 113.17. So fell below this support zone. And let's mark this next support. Let's extend this fib to right to the top here. And you'll see that this retracement was right to the 38 fib retracement. Let's flip this over to get the actual retracement. Won't get confused. Okay, so that's right at the 38 fib retracement. If it does fall further, that's support going to be at the 50 fib retracement. Along with these, could be from falling back into the bearish channel. Resistance is now going to be at the 114 level where it fell from, near the 21 fib retracement. And we'll remove this previous channel here. Change this color here to bearish one. Okay, so there could be a bounce from here. It could try to test 114 again. If it gets rejected, it will come back to test the support zone. And if it breaks, then that's the next target at the 50 fib retracement. So this coming Friday will be a critical one as well for the yen pair. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. And yeah, it's a very bearish candle here with a long upper wick, almost like a shooting star. So it could be further bearish momentum, bring it down to this 50 fib area. Okay, and possibly even down to 112 because of this swing high area. Okay, so next week will be critical one for the dollar, as well as all the other related majors. And the key one will come on the Friday. Could be some early triggers from the Wednesday, but the key one will be on Friday. All right, so do stay safe. Have a good trading week, and cheers for now.